Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this vlog. And yes, 1st of November 2020 the institute has released its first notification on the details containing the nitty-gritties of online examination. And guys, yes, a lot of information has been disseminated through this notification to all of you. In this video, I am not going to tell you the points which we have already discussed before, like there will be no negative marking, there will be options. I'm not going to discuss that portion of the notification because it is obvious, guys. In this notification, I am particularly focusing on the system which you will use for the home-based examination and the assessment of the system which the institute will do while you are choosing for one of the options. Guys, please note that while you actually log into the system and you put your registration number, your email ID, your mobile phone, your name, your choice of whether you want to choose one out of the three options, at that point in time, you will not just be choosing the options, but you will also be required to assess your system. Yes, someone will see your system, whether system is perfectly working or not. So you have to actually fill in the details in the system which you will actually use in the examination. So before coming on to the assessment bit, let me tell you one two key highlights of the notification. Guys, the notification says that you have to choose any one of the given three options latest by 12th of November 2020. If you fail to choose, you will be given center based exam. So by default, you will be getting center based exam if you fail to choose by 12th November. Once you choose your option, no subsequent changes possible. So choose wisely. Choose practically and choose after looking at the infrastructure which is there at your home. Some students are afraid by the information, by the statement which institute has made that sir, any technical failure will be attributed to the students. Guys, need not worry with this statement. This is a general rider which any institute will give, but it doesn't mean that your failures will be attributed to you and you will not be able to reappear for the examination, etc, etc. Don't have any such notion in mind. Sir, what kind of internet connectivity will be required? Normal Wi-Fi speed which we get in our homes, that is more than sufficient. And while you are doing online assessment, then also your internet connectivity will be tested. That's why online assessment which you are going to do of your system, not of the MCQs, not of the studies, but of the system which you are going to do, that online examination notification, that online assessment will be very, very relevant. Okay, sir. So update details, email ID, mobile number, all these details should be updated on your system while you are logging in through your system and choosing one of the three options. Please use the correct email IDs and mobile numbers because you will get SMSs and email IDs on your registered email ID and mobile. Now, if you choose home-based examination, if you choose home-based center, then guys, get your system assessed. So paragraph number 2 of the notification says that candidate have to appear in the intermediate final examination selecting the option, however, blah 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 blah. In that case, which is the case of choosing the home-based examination, candidate student have to required system and check their system in the given link. So guys, you will be going through an assessment of your system in your choosing the option which is given to you. So be careful of certain things which I am going to tell you in this particular video. If you choose center based, then rough sheets will be provided to you at the center. Yes, you should carry a pen because the notification is silent about the pen. So pen you should have, you should carry it with yourself. Now comes the most important point of the notification. So guys, before logging into the system and making a choice in a hurried manner, please look at some of the caution points which you need to take care while doing this system assessment. And yes, this system assessment page will open up immediately after you choose one of the three options. So this is a integrated exercise. You have to choose one of the option and also you have to get your system assessed at that moment. So things to be kept ready before initiating the system assessment. Use same system which you will use in the examination. So guys, while choosing the option, don't think, okay sir, we will choose an option through a different system now and in the examination we'll use a different system. No, same system should be there because assessment will be done of this system which you are using currently. The assessment will be done of this system. Therefore, same system should be used at the examination date also as you are doing today while choosing one of the three options. So use the same system. System assessment is time restricted. Now this is very, very important, that this system assessment will be time restricted, which means you'll get only 10 minutes to get your system verified, to get your system assessed. So guys, in this 10 minutes only you have to do all the steps which are there, which I am going to enumerate in my later deliberations. And within this 10 minutes of stipulated time, you need to complete all those steps. So be careful of the time. You don't get unlimited time to get your system assessed. Keep PDF of exam registration form ready. So whatever exam registration form you have filled, whether for one group, both group or whatever, keep that in PDF form ready on your desktop, because you need to attach it while getting your system assessed. Okay, sir. Webcam testing is there, so keep webcam also ready. Your webcam should be ready in a functional state in the laptop while doing this assessment. And the fifth point and the most important point is, guys, don't get this assessment done by someone else. So you should not ask your friends to be at your home while you are doing this assessment. You cannot tell your friends that, oh, please come over to my home and we'll do the assessment together, because your photograph will be clicked during the course of this assessment. So you have to do this assessment all alone, all by yourself. So don't get this assessment done by someone else. Don't give your laptop to someone else. Okay, you please do the system assessment for me, and you please choose home based. I want to choose home based. You please choose the home based option for me. Don't do that. Do it yourself, because you will get clicked during the course of this assessment. Okay, sir. So guys, as soon as you will choose one of the three options, you will be required to fill in your details like mobile phone, email, name, etc., registration number, etc. Then you will be directed to a window like this, where you will get your webcam proctored assessment. You will get an assessment message like this, that you will be giving your consent to take pictures by the institute of whatever you are doing. You will be agreeing to the fact that institute will not share these images with someone else, etc., etc. There's some standard clauses, and you just need to accept this webcam proctored assessment. Then you will be given certain instructions, and guys, these instructions are absolutely the same as which are given in the notification. So you just have to press on start now button. Next window which you will see is, please allow webcam access. Right at that point in time itself, you have to open your webcam and allow the webcam access. Upload or take picture for your identity card. Guys, your picture will be taken there and then. So sit in a well-lit room and do not have anyone else apart from you in your background, in your surroundings, because a picture will be taken of you. So don't sit in a dark room, sit in a well-lit room. Don't do this assessment late at night where light is very less. So sit in a well-lit room while doing this assessment or while choosing the options. Then you will be asked a subjective questionnaire. You will be asked a simple question. Please upload the proof of registration for exam scheduled in December 2020. So you have to upload a proof of registration for the examination, and here is the option to browse your PDF. So just browse your PDF of your examination form which you have submitted. Keep that handy, keep that ready on your desktop while you are doing this assessment. Then you will be given certain more important instructions and guidelines, and these instructions and guidelines are also similar to what is contained in the notification. Then you will submit your registration exam form. Just press on yes submit button and your registration will be completed for the examination. Your choice will be recorded in the system. Guys, then you will be directed to the home page of this accesscoccubes.com. Just save this page for future reference, because I guess that this page will be your examination page where your final examination will be conducted. So just save this in your favorites so that in future you don't struggle to identify or recall or just scroll through papers to find out this link. So just save this link with you. So yes, this will be the process, and you will be getting 10 minutes for completing this entire process. So keep all the things which you need ready, and specific attention should be given to these 5 points, very important points during the system assessment. Same system to be used, time restricted assessment is there, examination registration form should be kept ready, webcam testing is there, and don't get assessment done by someone else. Okay, so just make your choice and do not get bewildered by certain disclaimers which institute has given, that will be your responsibility if internet connection is not there. Guys, intermittent discontinuation of internet connection will not hamper your examination. You will be again be directed to the examination page and you will be allowed to give the examination, continue it from where you left earlier. It will be only in a situation where electricity has gone off and you don't have a backup and your system is dead now. In that situation, your examination will be, you'll be suffering from your examination. So if you have adequate backup and if you have a UPS or whatever, laptop has its battery, if you have that charged fully, then I don't think there'll be any problem. And you do not need 5G data, let me tell you. You need a very simple Wi-Fi connection, a normal internet connection which is there, which is prevalent. You just need that simple Wi-Fi connection and a simple internet connection. That's it. So do not worry and do not take stress on so in home based examination we'll face trouble, then what will we do? So if exam based is convenient for you, go ahead. Home based will also be convenient for you, don't worry, but do take care of the 5 points which I have highlighted during the assessment of your system. So yes, we'll be waiting for further information from the institute, because at several points institute has said that the information will be given in due course. We'll be waiting for that. Till that time we will not stop our studies. All the very best and happy studying.